Although Micro Four Thirds cameras like the GH6 have smaller sensors than full frame, you can still get amazing shots in low light situations if you know what you're doing. I shot for over 4 years with the LUMIX GH5 and in many low light situations, and I never had any issues. But now the GH6 is even better in low light than the GH5 was, and that's why I'm getting such great results when I set up my GH6 correctly. In this video, we're going to give you 3 tips to get the most out of your GH6 in low light situations. Here's some of the low light footage that I've shot on my GH6 recently. There are a few main things that you need to do to get the best footage out of your GH6. Number 1 is pairing your GH6 with a fast lens. A low aperture of 2.8 or even lower is preferred. Number 2, I typically recommend shooting in the color profile Cine D when you're in low light rather than Vlog because I find it just handles the contrast better. When I shoot really flat in low light, I often get slightly more noise. And tip number 3 is I don't turn the ISO higher than 2000. If I want a really clean image, that's kind of where I max out my ISO on the GH6. By setting up your LUMIX GH6 properly with good lenses and the right settings, you can get amazing shots in low light situations.